Here's a look at the E-mini S&P for Wednesday, May the 25th, 2011. What we're looking at to start off with here are the market profiles. We always like to look at them in our analysis of the market, especially on an intraday or day-to-day basis. So what we're looking at here, this is the market profile from the overnight session. This is the market profile from today, and this is the one from yesterday. So we knew that we had that 1310 area as a pretty major barrier, been with us for a long time, and the market came down overnight and dropped all the way to 1302.25, but notice it came right back up here to our barrier, and it opened right on it in the regular trading hours. We had a trade which got us into the market just, it was like 4 or 5 minutes after, maybe 3 or 4 minutes after that, very soon after the open. We're able to take advantage of that up move here. And as you can see, the market did have a nice move, hitting our barrier at 14 initially, and then at 18. Didn't quite make it to 27, did make it to 25, or was it 24 and change, and then it came in closing here at the end of the session. So we're looking at that 13 to 14 area to likely act as support with another test up towards probably the 19 area to get us started, and then of course up to around 24 and then 27. We also like to use the market profiles from the regular trading hours only. It's a different kind of volume, and we always like to use them as well in our analysis. Here's our software for today, and you can see some of the trades, or all of the trades. You can see a blue up arrow here. This is one I just mentioned, occurred very early in the day. We had additional up trades here, long trades, and one more here, signaled, and one here. Our short trades were are shown with down red arrows, and you can see all of them highlighted right here. So the very first trade out of the box is this long trade right here. Got filled right in here, had a great move up, moved 5 points very, very quickly, reaching our first two objectives, and then a 3.5 point gain on the final partial. So 6.5 point gain just off of that first trade. So that was really nice to kick off the day. This trade was not filled because we were already long. And that was the second trade here, the second setup. The third setup here, you can see it just missed by one tick getting us filled here. So unfortunately we didn't get into that long trade, and it had a very nice move higher just shortly after that as well. The third setup here we did not take. Of course, we're in a pretty strong up move here. Was either green or just had gone to neutral, but it was above that 18 area that was our next target higher, and obviously we're not going to get short on that particular fill and take that trade just at 19. So we didn't take that trade. The next trade that was set up was over here. We had a couple of these short trades here, and really the same scenario here. We don't want to get short right in here, short in here, short in here, when we know that this is a likely barrier, and of course we knew this barrier going into the day. So nothing there. Now we did take this trade right here, this second trade. This is actually the second trade that we took. The final trade that was set up right here was too late in the session to take, so we didn't take that. And this final trade here, it never did pull back. It was too late as well. So, and this trade here that did, we actually ended up by exiting this trade for a 2-tick loss after 10 minutes. Entry right in here after 10 minutes. It had dropped a point against us, didn't move for us, and after 10 minutes we were 2 ticks offside, so total 1 point loss on that particular trade. So a nice winning day. Great to get on so early and have that really great long move very early in the session for our biggest profit of the day. We are looking at the 13 to 14 area as support. Then the next target up will likely be in around the 19 to 20 area. then the next target 25, and then 27. Any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. Other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow.